Meaning of Eastbourne.
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 Eastbourne. Eastbourne is a seaside town located on the south coast of England. The name Eastbourne is derived from its location east of the River Bourne. It has a population of approximately 100,000 people and is known for its Victorian architecture, beaches, and cultural events such as the Eastbourne International Tennis Tournament. The town is also home to several parks, including the notable Beachy Head, a chalk headland with spectacular views of the sea. Overall, Eastbourne is a popular tourist destination and offers a mix of natural beauty and historical charm.